you all doing good in this lockdown. Let me introduce myself. This is Srikar and welcome to our channel Hospitality Classes. I hope you subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get new updates and stay tuned to our channel. Please hit like button to give us such a motivation. How to prepare for NCHMCT JEE 2021? Many people will think that how can I train this program, what type of coaching I have to take, or else what type of books I have to buy for NCHMCT JEE, or any coaching classes I have to go. So in this video I will clarify your doubts and post all the latest updates in this video. This is a new channel, so please like, subscribe and share this to your friends. In the next video I will post you what are the tips and strategies to follow to write the NCHMCT JEE 2021 and what are the strategies that will improve your scoring in the exam of NCHMCT JEE 2021 and what are the books or career guidelines that will make you to reach a better position in that hotel management career. Many people asking that can we join hotel management this year or can we write NCHMCT JEE 2021 this year, and when will be the NCHMCT JEE 2021 exam and its date. So simply let's get started in this video. Generally, NCHMCT exam will be going to be held in the month of April, but due to COVID pandemic, it had been set to June 12th of this year. But due to the increasing case and second wave, it also been postponed to September or October. It will be in any of the date, and it's the application is also extended up to May 31. So still who are interested in NCHMCT and not still applied, so you can apply up to May 31st. So please be hurried. Before writing any exam, you have to know about its pattern, syllabus and topics. But coming to our NCHMCT JEE, it contains 5 subjects. First one English, aptitude, and next later on GK, reasoning and maths. It contains total 200 questions, in which English occupies 60, aptitude 50, and later GK, reasoning and maths occupies 30, 30, 30. Total 200 questions, and the total marks allotted to NCHMCT JEE exam is 800 marks. Many people think that NCHMCT JEE will be sort of like that JEE mains or any other exam. So don't think like that. It is so different. So you can still crack the exam if you follow this video channel regularly. In this post all about NCHMCT JEE and hotel management career. If you are feared of NCHMCT JEE or any doubts or queries about the NCHMCT JEE, if you follow this channel regularly, your doubts will be clarified. Please ask me any doubt. If you have, please comment down. Before going to any exam, first we have to know that in which field we are at perfect and at which field we are at moderate and which field we have minimum number of knowledge. So by that I have to make a plan and go according with that plan. By that we will make the situation 100% correct. If you don't know at which field you are weak or at which field you are perfect, so just I recommend an app called name EduGorilla. It will be available in Play Store, so you can download it and log in it and register it. It will give a free mock test. By that you have to attempt it and you can be known what is the field which are your best and which is the field which are your worst. By that you will go with the plan. Attempting the mock test, you will be saving your time and effort, and at which field you are weak you can concentrate on that field.
Thinking all I did was wrong. Guess you got all you wanted. Yeah, out of nowhere suddenly you're gone. You'll never be forgotten. Pretending no one is to blame. Too late to reignite our flame. How did I not see you running? How did I get left behind? How did I not see this coming? Yes, so you left me run.
For a less rank in NCHMCT JEE, first go with the aptitude sector. It contains second highest weightage 50 questions and will the easy subject in NCHMCT JEE. So go plan with the aptitude sector and you cover it in 1 to 2 weeks after time, and it is very easy. So please go with the aptitude sector first. Next subject I prefer is reasoning. It is also a very easy subject, but some difficulties will arise while going through it. So plan it according to a 3 to 4 weeks plan and go through it thoroughly. First of all, you don't understand what the question means. So continuously go through it and through it. By that you will get a grip on reasoning. First try to understand the question and write the question in a paper and try to solve it. By that you will solve it in a less time. GK or current affairs, or if you are interested in English, just go with that. It will take up to 3 to 4 weeks. If you are very good at English, you will go with English. Or if you are willing to go with GK and current affairs, just buy a book of all current affairs book and you go with it thoroughly. You have different platforms like YouTube or internet to search about current affairs. Next, go with English, and later on last go with maths, because it is such a big topic and contains a vast number of sums, and it takes up to 1 month to 1.5 months. So I prefer maths to be at the last. If you are such a perfect at maths, just keep maths in front of the English and keep English last. So it's up to you, and it's my preference and my suggestion. It totally depends. First prepare all the subjects very well, and then you attempt the MCQs which is given at the book and revise it thoroughly. Later on you go with mock test. I will suggest a 3-month EduGorilla mock test which will be available at 199 rupees. So it contains 40 mock tests. So attend every mock test at the weekend. So by that you will know at which subject you are going weak and at which subject you are going with a very strong. So by that you will make a plan and go according to it. Not only this 3-month EduGorilla which is available at your cost, but I will also suggest some free mock test which will be available at free for you. I will make a separate video and I will give you later. In the next video, I will say some tips and I will say some strategies that will work out to you and will make you score much better in NCHMCT. So please stay with this channel and please subscribe and share this channel with your friends.